Hi everybody, I'm Nick Agar and I'm here at Marc Adams School of Woodworking and Time-Honoured Crafts. And I've been teaching this week creative wood turning, where we've been doing a lot of different embellishments to the wooden surface after we've turned it. We've been doing metallizing, airbrushing, carving, power carving, a whole bunch of stuff. The noise you can hear behind me is the sound of green wood being cut. So we're finishing off on some of the lovely wood that's been provided by the school. Students are from all over, great bunch of people. Great bunch of people. We've had an awesome time with them, and of course all walks of life come here, and it's good for me to take the journey up from Georgia to come and teach at the school. It's been a long time coming. I've been coming here for a few years now, and it's one of my favourite places to come and teach. And they have an ice cream machine in the cafe. I'm sure a lot of us come for that. But they've got a kitchen here where they provide the most wonderful food, and this is just a turning shop. As you can see behind me, they have got a bunch of machines, and there's not much you don't need when you come here. So look up online and come and take a class. There's some amazing instructors from all over the world that teach here, and of course fine woodworking throughout. But I believe there's even glass making going on this week, and coming up there's chocolate. So it's not all about wood anymore, but it's an amazing place to be. Come and give it a go.